What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're right in the HRC with High Road Comics. And today I have a mail day. I got a CGC unboxing. I already undid the top, but don't worry. Oh, I almost poked my eye out. And then I got a couple more. You know, I've gotten so many packages I've been opening. I've been super busy. Haven't been able to edit videos. I actually recorded some. I might edit those, post those these weeks. I think I'm going to try to get back to that routine, but you know what? No promises. Life is busy, and yeah, I still get to catch all the content. Lots of things have changed, so I guess Comic Tom doesn't do the CBSI Top 10 anymore. What else? Brian from Simpleman and Jack are doing it. Yeah, you know, okay, so this one's from Midtown. Let's see what I got. Midtown. Alright. It's not. Oh, okay. It's nothing too crazy. So I got a Berserker Unbound. The back cover's on there. I got this variant. Oh, it's a cover A. The cover A. And I also got House of X. House of X #2. And can't believe they were sold out at the comic shops. Even though I pre-ordered all the variants from TFAW, missed out on those. And they're huge. They're awesome. All right, so let's see. This one is from Comics Elite. I think I know what it is. Ordered it a long time ago. Which, by the way, this is probably going to be my last store variant. Nothing against them, but I gotta put my money into other things. Yep, I know what it is. So it's in a top loader and Mylar. Let's go ahead and see what I got. Hopefully you've all been doing great. Follow me on Instagram. I do post a little bit there. All right, so I got a certificate of authenticity. Oh shoot. Amazing Spider-Man #25 Premier Virgin variant, and this one's pretty dope. I got the trade of #24. This is the brown variant, and it's actually really dope. And Venom #19, I think. That one looks like a good one variant also with Inhyuk Lee, but this one's pretty solid. I'm not even gonna take it out. Glad I got it. It's a little pricey. I only got the one cover apparently. Huh. Oh, that's dope. It's the clear backboard. The clear backboard. I need to get more of those. All right, so on to the CGC. I want to do a special shout out to David Kong. You are at D23 right now. I said Kong, I meant Hong. Very nice. All right. So this one got here a lot quicker than I thought it would. We got some nice. I got 4. Let me take out this CGC form. Man, and spoiler alert, the grades are pretty cool. All right. Okay. Let's start off with Major X #3, double signed by Wills and Rob Liefeld. Got a 9.8. There's a back. Let's see. Signed by Rob Liefeld and Wills Portasio on 7/3/19. So July 3rd? Really? It's 4th of July weekend? Freaking awesome. Freaking awesome. Do this one. Actually, let's do it right now. Marvel Comics Presents #5. Signed by Rob Liefeld. Woo! Yeah. So we got. Well, they didn't put it there. but it's the first cameo appearance of Wolverine's daughter. I guess that didn't pan out the way I thought it would. Maybe it will, but either way, it's a Liefeld variant. Pretty dope. 9.8. 9.8, which, by the way, Keycollectibles does that pressing service, so they're able to hook me up on that one. My water dispenser's in the back. Green screen's in the room. Lighting's not good in there. All right, I got Major X number 1. I've had this one since the get-go. Will's Pertess and Rob Liefeld double signed. This is the 1 in 25 variant. Pretty cool. And I was worried about this one. It was windy that day, and Wills gave me this look like, damn. But like I said, I get some nice pressing services. Okay, so this one I'm probably gonna sell because I have a triple sig coming. So if you're interested, please let me know. This is Major X number 5, signed by Rob Liefeld, and I like the way he signed that one. Sideways. 9.8. I love these yellow labels, and I'm not gonna get too crazy, but I think the OGs, I'm gonna actually get more of them. You know, McFarlane, Liefeld, maybe some Jim Lees. Oh, definitely some Donnie Cates. I'm gonna get some, but I don't want to get too crazy on the CGC game. But yeah, I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. I got a lot of pickups. Oh, there was one that came with this. Did it fall out? Oh, shit. Be right back. Move, dog. All right. Dang. Got this Major X number 0 sketch from Midtown. Looks pretty good, but who knows? Dang. I'm going to get Rob to do a sketch remark on this one day. But anyway, that's all I got. Thanks for being here. Thanks for still supporting me. Thanks for still being subscribed to me if you are being subscribed to me. And all I know is that whenever I do take the next stop, I'll see you there. This is High Road Comics. I'm taking this exit. Still don't have a sign off. I really liked it better when I was a comic chief.